Prepare to be astonished.
Hello everybody, my name is Luna. Today I'm gonna read Sideward to Look. I had to look at the shirt. It was as blue as the sky. They had to look at the dress. It was as white as snow. We had to look at the scarf. It was as yellow as a banana. I had to look at the belt. It was as orange as a pumpkin. We had to look at the bracelet. It was as purple as a plum. Hi everyone, my name is Luna. Today I'm gonna read Sidewards. He will find, she will find. Each dog will get a bone from her. She will find many bones for them. Each rabbit will get a carrot for him. He will find many carrots for them. Each squirrel will get a nut from her. She will find many nuts for them. Each bird will get a worm from him. He will find many worms for them.
Good.
Each monkey will get a banana from her. She will find many bananas for them. Each horse will get an apple from him.
Good.
He will find many apples for them. Each frog will get a bug from her. She will find many bugs for them. Each seal will get a fish from him. He will find many fish for them.
Good.